Hey everybody, I got a quick, easy meal, tostadas. How do you like these? The one on the left has cortito, the other one doesn't. Most people have tomatoes, cilantro, onions, peppers, whatever you want. This is what I use my tostadas. I use my cheddar, my beans, my onions, my lettuce. You can use these beans and you can boil them and get them soft, or you can just get the regular pre-made refried beans, and that's gonna be easier. You're gonna get you some fresh lettuce. Shred that up really good. Again, I use the smaller tostadas. I don't like the really big ones because it's just too much. And then I got the cheese shredded already. You shred the cheese. You boil. I boil 4 eggs. Get those boiled. You get the ground meat. Drain it. Brown it up. Season it. Whatever you like. Just whatever you like. Nothing specific. And then I just mix the refried beans with the ground meat. You cook that up. Get it mixed really nice. You're gonna peel the eggs, obviously, and you're going to slice the eggs up. I have this little contraption here, so you're gonna slice the eggs thinly, and you're going to also get your tostadas out. Put the meat, put the cheese, put the lettuce. You're gonna put your um, onions if you want to do onions. I have these those other onions you see in the background. You're gonna put the eggs on, spread them around. Again, there's no right or wrong way. This is a good dish. It's fast, easy to make. It's a good meal, and they're pretty filling also because you can kind of load them up. And we just cut the onions. We just prefer those types of onions there, but you can top it with just about anything you like. And then more cheese. And so, like I said, we made two kinds: one without cortito, and the other one with. Now look at these things. On the right, no cortito. On the left, cortito. Thanks for watching. Be blessed.